Hi there, and welcome back to our series all about creating a website for your resort or accommodation business. We already know how taking your business online is a great way to boost your earnings. And when it comes to earnings, in order to receive them, of course, you're going to need to set up your payment methods. But the thing about Wix is that you won't really be able to activate transactions without having a premium plan. Bummer, we know. But think of it as a worthy investment because if you upgrade to premium plan, you'll get lots of features that will benefit your site and help it grow. Not to mention, you'll also get a domain that'll certainly make your site professional. So, let's talk about how you can upgrade your site and see what plans they have available and which one suits you best. Let's dive into it. On your site's dashboard, click on the purple upgrade button at the top. It will open a new tab where you can choose from their available plans. Each plan lists its monthly price as well as the benefits it comes with. Read each plan carefully and see which features you need most. Consider things like how many collaborators and storage you're going to need, etc. Just be sure to select a plan that allows you to accept payments. Most of them do, but the light plan or this one doesn't. Once you decide, click the select button of your chosen plan. Now, select your billing cycle. And then input your billing details. Also, read your purchase summary here on the right. And once you're ready, click on Submit Purchase. Once you successfully purchase your plan, you can now enjoy the advanced features and you can also add your very own domain to your site. By the way, to manage your domains, just go to your site's dashboard once again and then on the search bar, type in domains. Select Domains. And over here, look for a domain name you'd like to use. And then click on Let's Go. Make sure to select a domain that matches your website's name. And I guess that's all for today, guys. We hope you found today's video of help.